Everyone, myself Alan J. Pampali. So today I'll be explaining how to delete the bottom element from a stack. Now let's create a stack with the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So one will be at the bottom. This is how the stack would look like. So if we, as you know that the stack follows the principle of last in first out or first in last out. When we delete the bottom element, the number one is the bottom element here. So we have to delete this number. So what we have to do is we need to create another empty stack and we need to put the other elements into the empty stack and pop the bottom element. So here 4 goes here, 3 goes here, and 2 goes here. It will be like so 2, 3, 4. So this is how the temporary stack would look like, and the remaining element in the in our initial stack would be 1. So we can just pop this out, and we will get the final output stack as uh, 3, 2. So 2, 3, 4. So this is similar to the previous video which I made where I explained how to delete the middle element from a stack. So in that we only had to transfer the elements till the middle element of the stack. But here instead we have to transfer all the elements except the first element which was put into the stack. So yeah, let's move on to the coding part now. So what we have to do is we need to create a function where we iterate the transferring of elements to the empty stack. So we have to do this till the number of elements in the current stack is 1. So let's begin with it. We define delete bottom stack temp stack. This is the we're creating the temporary stack using list, and we start a while loop while stack greater than 1. So here we create a while loop, and this loop keeps on happening whenever the length of the current stack is greater than 1. So this loop will only stop if the like when the number of items in the stack is 1. And what actually happens is we pop each elements from the current stack and append it into the temporary stack. So this is what that means. Now let's move on. Then we have to uh, pop the last element which is present in the current stack. Then we give another while loop. Start append stack dot form. So this once we pop the last element, we have to put back all the elements from the temporary stack into the original stack. So we pop the elements from the temp stack and append it in the actual stack. So that's what this function does. And now we need to return the stack. Okay, so this is the function. Now let's take an example. Suppose my stack equals, let's say the previous example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's just print my stack. Now, when we run this code, as you can see, it gives stack 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's use the function which we created. So let's give a new name to the new stack. So new stack equals del, del bottom and my stack. So yeah, now let's print this new stack which we created. Let's give it a stack after removing the bottom and new stack. Now, when we print this, as you can see, the initial stack was 1, 2, 3, 4, and the stack after removing the bottom element is 2, 3, and 4, which means that the first element 1, which was the bottom element, has been removed from the stack. So this is how we can remove the bottom element from a stack. Hope you guys have understood to do so, and thank you for watching.